Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to give you a quick look at one of my page kits. This is the Goofy's Kitchen page kit number 5. And here I'll give you a closer look of the finished product here. And I've used some foam squares to add dimension here. And I've used some silver mirror or silver foil paper to give that a shiny effect. And then here's the right page. And now let's take a look at what you get in your kit. Okay, so the kit comes to you like this. You will receive full color step-by-step instructions. If you'd like to pick up this kit, the link will be below in the description of this video. Okay, so here's a look at the instructions that you receive. I give you step-by-step photos as well, and a large image to do your piecing. And then you will need to use a white, I use a glaze pen, but you need a white pen that'll draw in black for this extra little detail right here. And then I believe this part is with a black pen, if I'm not mistaken. But that's in the instructions as well. Okay, so you're going to receive your background papers. These you will need to cut. Let's see. Okay, so here's the solid backing for your page. So there's a barcode on here, so you'll just need to trim it down so that it measures 12 by 12. These you will need to trim 1/4 of an inch down, so it'll be 11 3/4 square, and that'll give you that nice black border around the whole page. Okay, so then you have some trim pieces here. Now these, let's see, this I have traced. This one, if you look on the back, you'll find a line. I've traced a template, and you can just cut along that line, and then you're going to glue it down to this black piece, and then just use your scissors and hand trim around it. And those instructions are in there as well. And then the pieces that you'll receive, oh yeah, photo mats, of course, you'll receive photo mats. Those are already cut for you. And then you've got your title that you're going to piece together. I like to use the Designer Dries Clear liquid glue with the fine metal tip. That's my favorite to use. And then you'll receive the pieces in your kit. Now we have this broken down. So here's the baggie for the title. And then just to make things a little bit easier for you, Mickey and Minnie, we have 3 baggies. So we have the Mickey baggie, a Minnie baggie, and then the table pieces. Goes right there. Just kind of keeps it separate and more organized, so it's hopefully not as overwhelming to put together and figure out where all the pieces go. And there you have it. So that is the Goofy's Kitchen page kit, and I will put the link below in the description below to pick up one of these kits. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.